Insects and bugs.
Box turtle.
Butterflies.
Snakes, rabbits, and raccoons.
Horse. Piggies.
Worms.
From the creepers and the crawlers to the baby squirrels and buzzing hives, Nature Day at South Mountain State Park is a big draw for children. But where were all the video games?
I don't like video games.
What?
I don't like video games.
These were no ordinary children. This was the next generation of environmental superheroes.
Well, I think I just want to be some of the people who loves nature and helps the animals that live in the nature and woods, because I just love animals and I love helping people and animals.
I want to be a scientist and take care of animals.
I want to take care of animals.
I might be a vet. I like working with animals.
Rest assured, Smokey Bear, the forest is in good hands.
11 to 12:30.